Hey everyone, about 2 weeks after its first unveiling in China, Honor has officially launched the Honor 200 Pro worldwide. This action predates Honor's customary worldwide release timetable, which was observed with earlier models such as the Magic V2 and the MagicBook Pro 16, which frequently experienced a few-month delay. Pre-orders for the Honor 200 Pro, which is a member of the Honor 200 series, along with the standard Honor 200, are now being accepted in the UK and the Eurozone. The Honor 200 Pro is equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 chipset, a 4nm CPU with somewhat less performance than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Nevertheless, it is anticipated that the Honor 200 Pro will match or surpass the capabilities of Honor's flagship Canterbury smartphone, the Magic 6 Pro, which retails for $1,010 on Amazon. The Honor 200 Pro's battery is one of its best qualities. The device has a 5200 mAh silicon carbon battery with 3 charging modes, 100W wired, 66W wireless, and 5W reverse wireless. This sturdy battery configuration guarantees that the gadget can withstand prolonged usage and rapid recharge periods. Additionally, the Honor 200 Pro has a striking display. It has a 6.87-inch OLED screen with a refresh rate of 120Hz, 2700 by 1224 pixel resolution, and 4000 nits of peak brightness. This combination makes for a clear, fluid, and colorful visual experience that can be tailored to a variety of multimedia requirements. The Honor 200 Pro costs more outside of China than it does inside of China. To sweeten the pot, Honor is including a Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 8 Bluetooth speaker in the pre-order package. This enhancement adds value for early adopters and makes the deal more alluring. Additionally, the Honor 200 Pro has an advanced camera arrangement that includes a 2MP depth camera for the front-facing aspect, a 12MP ultra-wide camera with a 112 degrees field of view, and 350MP cameras. This setup is intended to provide a range of photography options, including wide-angle and high-resolution photos, as well as improved depth perception in portrait mode. The Honor 200 Pro, which comes with 512GB of storage and 12GB of RAM, is currently available for purchase for £699. Honor is also providing a pre-order bonus. Customers who place their orders before the device's June 26 general release will receive a Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 8 wireless speaker, which is presently listed on Amazon for $499. Because of the promotion's substantial value addition, early adopters may find it to be a compelling choice. Thank you for staying with us and watching our videos. It is very valuable to me. Have a nice day and God bless you.